Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you both major talking points and features of the exterior and interior. I'll also go around, take a seat inside the car and just go through some of the interior features in a bit more depth with you. The exterior of the car is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we have of course also fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. So the vehicle we have for you here in this walk around is the 420D M Sport GRAN COUPE. It is a 2017 plate, so you'll also see it benefits from the facelift all the way around. So up front you've got the facelift LED headlights. Alongside that we'll go around and point out the other features of that facelift. Down the side of the car you'll see we've added the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which once again are finished in the black. At the side of the vehicle you'll notice the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. The interior on this vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options. As you can see there, it's all very clean and tidy. You'll also see it has the brushed aluminium and high gloss black interior trims. Rear seats for the GRAN COUPE, you have a nice fixed 3-seat rear bench, centre folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there. Again, just showing you off these brand new alloy wheels. Thanks to them being brand new, of course they're all unmarked. Round at the rear of the car we've got both the high gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler, and again just showing you off the facelifted rear lights, which once again are all LED as well. Very large boot space on the GRAN COUPE, and also it has an automatic opening and closing tailgate, and there you'll also see the genuine floor mats which will of course accompany the vehicle, alongside having split folding seats to further enhance that large boot space. Round at the other side, as you can see, a very nicely presented 4 Series GRAN COUPE. And again, sitting very nicely on the 666 competition style alloy wheels. I'll make my way inside the car and just show you a bit more in depth on the interior specifications. Once we're inside the car, you can see we're greeted with the professional wide navigation and media screen. I will of course start the car up as well and just talk through some of these features. So there is the satellite navigation function. Alongside that we've got DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs, Bluetooth audio and telephone, and going back to the main menu we'll be able to check out this vehicle also equipped with the online search, news and weather functions via the Connected Drive Plus. The vehicle utilises its own 4G network, and thanks to that it doesn't use any of your own data. Clicking into the vehicle service status and service requirement screen, you can see everything is highlighted in green. And again, the next service is not due for 16,000 miles and does come with full BMW service history on this vehicle. It has covered just over 39,000 miles, and again is all in a very nice condition. Paired with that 2-litre diesel up front, we've got the 6-speed manual in this vehicle, dual climate control as you can see there, and the heated seats in the front which I've mentioned. So with all our walk around videos, I do hope you found it useful and enjoyed it. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information, and of course a link to our website will also be linked in the description down below. If you've not yet already done so, remember to hit that subscribe button. That way you can be kept up to date with all of the latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, as this is the first place they will find their way onto. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We hope to see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.